I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to filter your messages on your iPhone for people that you know versus people that you don't know.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down to Apps and then select Messages. Scroll down near the very bottom and make sure the toggle for Filter Unknown Senders is on. Now open your Messages app. You'll see an option on the top right for filters. Select that. And now you can filter between known senders and unknown senders. So I'm going to select known senders. Now that I'm in the known senders filter, this only shows people that I have in my contacts already or people who have sent me a text message that I have responded to even though they are not in my contacts. Now if I go back to the filters again and click unknown senders, this will show me only contacts that have sent me a text message that I have not responded to that are not in my contacts. Now you can easily find texts that are from known or unknown senders.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.